Hey there, are you looking to upgrade your front door or maybe you need a quick repair to keep your home safe and stylish? Let me tell you why HighGate is the best choice when it comes to front door repair, installation, and service. First off, your front door is more than just an entryway. It's the first impression your home makes. It's about security, curb appeal, and even energy efficiency. At HighGate, we get that. That's why we offer a full range of services, from expert repairs to flawless installations, all tailored to your needs. What sets us apart? It's our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Our team is made up of skilled professionals who have years of experience handling every kind of door issue you can imagine. Whether your door is sticking, squeaking, or just doesn't look as good as it used to, we have the tools and know-how to fix it fast and make it look like new. Thinking about a brand new front door? We work with the best materials and the latest styles to make sure your new door not only looks great but stands up to the elements and keeps your family safe. We handle everything from helping you choose the perfect design to expert installation, making the whole process easy and stress-free. And here's the best part. We're always here when you need us. Our service is reliable, fast, and friendly. We show up on time, respect your space, and make sure you're 100% happy before we leave. So if you want the best for your home, don't settle for less. Contact HighGate today at 212-860-5477. Let us take care of your front door so you can focus on what matters most, feeling safe and proud every time you walk through it.